Mala started obviously in Malta, and there was again. Sorry. Before Tapu started, I met Yogi and Pupachil, and we met at Jules. We were just hanging around, having fun. Yogi, as usual, was with his acoustic guitar, shouting around and enjoying himself. And I obviously liked that vibe. Yogi had a lot of friends. He introduced me to Pupachil, and that's how Tapu started in 2010.
So Tapu music, I would say energetic, because we give full power energy in the show and make bouncing the people. International, because we are French, Spanish, Maltese, German, Canadian, with the one word, you know. And I would say, yeah, different, you know, because I can't hear different music styles, reggae, ska, rock, bit of punk is like musically different, you know.
I would say I start with the worst, so we go to the positive after. The worst was KSU, just because we did not play really, and the sound didn't work, and we wrote a new song which has very explicit words, and we tried to sing it, and we said it to the crowd, and then the sound went off. So it was a disaster. We're looking forward to play again, and the best one. I guess the best one, you can't really say the best one. Every gig, as our music is different. So I do agree that we had an awesome gig at Beer Fest and an awesome gig at Earth Garden and the festivals.
Farson's Beer Fest always produces a great event, and we are always looking forward every year for that event, even though if we do not play. But we are looking forward even more and more because we are going to be playing this year again. The fans are always there behind us, and we are ready to rock the summer for them.